Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Techavro. Hope you guys are having a nice day. In this video, I'm going to show you how can you scan Spotify code 2024. So to scan Spotify code, at first just launch your Spotify app. Now into your Spotify app, in the bottom second option, you will see an icon search option. Just click on it. And after clicking it, in the top right here you will see there is a camera icon. Just click on it, camera. And after clicking on camera, here you can see there is a scan option. Just click on scan and click on while using the app. And by this way you can just scan Spotify code. And if you want to find Spotify code, just go to your home. Click the top right, the settings icon. Click on view profile. Click on this three-dot icon. And lastly, here you can see show Spotify code. Click on it. And this is the Spotify code that you need to scan. So guys, that's how you can scan Spotify code. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find it helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Techavro. Thank you so much for watching the video.